Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Lapan ko buram de ka Khusnam ga bakinsai ki laingut ki klor teu dok mau jong ka jela bala penbet da ka anu pre Rana Riti Academy and Media Plus ha ka program bala penlong ha usoso tham auditorium State Central Library ha ka khat santrik unaitung arajar arpulai kintobru ya ki prangut ki klor na ka jela Assam. Lapan po pen peng ye ka sngi da ka jinga don lang jong ba Paul Lingdo Menteri jong ka sarkar jela haringkat ke Riti bat mati thau bat suari ha kaba ulayaro ya ka senjuk kabala penlong ya ka program kabade ban perto ya usenyang uben hei jong ki reotbet ki bal ha ki emlang ka saalang kam da ken mau show uba pol ula keren bon ki badai ban kinteu ya ki mati thau ha ka jela da ka babu ti ki Khusnam bekerpang na ka benta ka mati thau bat bala pen kela kerteng no yaka ka sikpak syakaslam lariti lapan kan maru iki por kena ha ka ba pol uju kende ban sngap jiki jingrwa jong ba Tanbor bad hadin ku musamla nong yalam KSU ulakan mau tempang yu ba Daminot Wankhar bat ka kong Adlyne Khonglam ki balarwai ka jingrwai hapo ka thup jingrwai jong ka seng bat menta ka kenti kila yo ya ka Khusnam hagani ka snila pun kup borom ru yo ba Tanbor Swer da ka Khusnam Rana Kharkangor bat ka Khusnam Riti yo ba Daminot Wankhar bat ka kong Adlyne Khonglam bat kiwei ki bala sha pun kup borom na Assam ki kenthup da ka Khusnam Media Plus ki ba kenthup ya Dr. Naren Hazarika senior journalist editor jong ka Daily Dendin Barta Nang Anjana Gogoy advisor ka Doboria Barta Sukleswarnat, Usha Muni Saikia, Alka Bujar Barwa, Kanong High School, ka Manju Hazarika, kabaderu Kanong High School, but Inu Sarma haringkat usajan buyan.
Arts and culture as a department, I've always been told that it's a minor department. Today I wonder, I've spent more than half the day engaged in what was called as a minor department. It certainly is not minor. There is nothing more gratifying, more consoling, more a source of inspiration than the arts. And music has that ability. The sublime art of music has that ability to not only arouse passion, but also to connect humanity. I was at Thailand recently and listening to a piece of music that was played in the background, which takes me home because it has all the elements of a traditional Khasi song. Therefore, the synergy that we can provide through arts and culture, tourism and textiles is wondrous. Friends, Frederick has highlighted some of our initiatives. We're going to take the arts to a level that has never been done in the past. We started off with the International Film Festival here as soon as I took over as Minister in Charge, Arts and Culture. And yesterday there was a panel discussion at what has been known all along as SICPAC, the Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. Upon chancing upon that name, the acronym SICPAC, I said, let's start with this. Why have SIC in arts and culture? It should be a healthy department. So we've decided to rename it as Riti, International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. I think subconsciously we took a cue from Raphael and his Riti Academy. And the album remains an iconic album that is followed today by close to 3 lakh followers on YouTube. Back home, I have a small jam pad, and on top of the door of the jam pad, I have a picture of Luma Jao with Dr. Bhupen Hazarika and Khasi. And in fact, I think it was Dr. Satyendra who wrote an entire book on some of the words that Khasi and Asmis have in common. Let's learn each other's language. It's so very important. And what best to connect us unless you have the arts? In the Khasi tradition, the oral tradition of the origin of mankind, we have the theory, the myth of Ki Khandai Trap and Ki Hinyo Trap, the 7 huts and the 9 huts. The 7 huts are supposed to be us, Homo sapiens, living below, and the 9 huts are supposed to belong to a divine, heavenly family. But when you look at the muses and how the Greeks defined the muses, the 9 muses represent the 9 arts. And the Khasi concept of Khandai Trek, 9, Khandai meaning 9. Khandai Trek itself would connote that above humanity are the arts, the 9 arts which are heavenly. I would like to propose that we propagate this thought, expand this philosophy, and get it recognized internationally. We have Mr. Tibuwala who can do better at that because his interface with customers are multifarious, but at the core of it, we would like to ensure that there is a synergy between the arts and livelihood. There should no longer be that concept that music does not pay, that the arts does not pay, that one actually looks down upon musicians. I recall the day that I traveled to Guwahati when Dr. Bhupen Hazarika died. And we stopped at one of the few shops that opened because they were dealing with essential commodities. And it was really heart-touching to remember that throughout our being at that particular store, they kept playing his music. And today, as we honor these achievers in the performing arts and in music, I was reminded of one single fact that Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was actually invited to unveil his life-size statue while he was alive at Guwahati University. Generally, among Khasis, we tend to only honor the dead and the departed. So this is something I think we have learned from our brothers and sisters in Assam. Today we have these achievers in the field of music and we honoring them while they could still be part of that gathering. Have a class that generally does not stop before 2 hours. So I could see a few heads nodding and a few shaking, but I'll stick to Shakespeare and his dictum that brevity is the soul of wit. In fact, I have that in my office chamber. Brevity is the soul of wit. Kat banang kren kendiat kat tanang sengutenan. Dengan bat yang pertama. Idan hang ni ban lek buram, ban kenmau, ban pertu ya usen yang jongki niki kaitor ki jongi ba Tanbor, Swer, ba Daminot, Wankhar, Adlyne, Khonglam. Ngit kini langut mo. Ban kenmau ru ya kerenyang senyang jong ba Rana Kharkangor. I have always been a huge fan of ba Rana Kharkangor and know most of his songs by heart. So I'm happy that his grandchildren have followed his footsteps, and I'm sure this is a legacy, the rich legacy that he left behind will continue to inspire and reinvigorate us, because as the saying goes, music washes away from the soul the dust of everyday living. Ba Tanbor Swer asngap ikijing rai jongpi kumukenarit Syat Kinrem Sladi yang Belayap Stai are some of my favorites. But Daminot, Wankhar, Adlyne, both of them were part of a musical initiative to celebrate through music the 20th year art. Take away art from earth, just just remains. It becomes meaningless. So the earth without art is meaningless, futile. We're here to celebrate this collaborative effort, the initiative of Pak Arafel, along with Na, Mr. Saikia leading the group. Probably one reason I turned up late is that I wanted the hall to have more attendees. I think it has improved. It's been a full day of arts and culture, because right now as I speak, there is an ongoing panel discussion on the 8th schedule and the inclusion of Khasi in the 8th schedule, which was also reflected in Adlyne Khonglam song just a while back. Ranging from music to poetry to other forms of creative expression. Aku boleh sebut ni pi, Pak Rafael, Nong Sandur, Riti Academy. Lalong way na kinong kipiadig kipalapan kiim ya kari kejongi hakaliang jong kikaidor kimelung kibarikor kikarikor bat kumta terter. But I'd like to also share with all of you that among the various columnists who write in Khasi, I do enjoy reading Rafael Wadji's articles the best, because each article comes up with new phrases, nuances, and twists of expression in the Khasi language, which are not known, especially to urbanites like us. But Frederick Kharkangor is not just Commissioner and Secretary of the Department of Arts and Culture. We